Welcome to the Ask the Expert series of the Globalization 101 project, part of the Levin Institute, a graduate institute that is part of the State University of New York. Today we have with us Dr. Susan Aaronson, a graduate professor of international relations at the Elliott School at George Washington University, and author of the book Trade Imbalances: The Struggle to Weigh Human Rights Concerns in Trade Policymaking. We are really proud and happy to have her with us and look forward to her thoughts and insights. Why should human rights policy be addressed at all in trade policy?
Well, it seems to me that when we try to set human rights objectives and trade objectives, they are to some extent the same thing. When we want to expand trade, we want to advance human welfare. And when we want to protect human rights or promote human rights or respect human rights, we also want to advance human welfare. So we want to increase opportunities for all people to gain things like credit, education, electricity, basic services such as health, affordable medicine, food. So we're trying to achieve very similar objectives to improve the quality of life for more of the world's people. And trade can help us get there. But the system of rules that governs trade between the bulk of the world's nations says nothing about human rights. And because it really says nothing about human rights, many people perceive that system, the WTO system, as undermining human rights. I don't agree with that perspective. I see human rights trickling into the WTO. But I also do believe that the system of rules, the WTO system, makes it harder for governments to protect human rights at home and in other countries, to use trade to protect human rights.